Hello everyone, I'm Chef RV and this is one of my best-selling classes. This is the all-natural meat processing class. So today we will be preparing several recipes using all-natural processes. We start with the longganisa, the tapa, the tocino. We also make seafood roll, atsara, vinegar. You will also learn how to prepare a restaurant-style garlic rice. I invite everybody to purchase my online class because it's going to be fun. And this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for you to be able to prepare these delicious dishes for your family, for yourself, and of course, for a sustainable business.